from Cincinnati. Big boom, 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 boom. I've always been excited to see it.
Eric Gerber from Defiant. Ice cream has been absolutely phenomenal this year. There's no rain, there's no end in sight with the heat, and people just love ice cream. So it's been a fantastic summer. I knew they would still have it. They're not going to call it off. There's too many people down here. There's too many vendors looking forward to this night to make money for the evening. So, you know, they did what they had to. I believe the fire department went down there and soaked the field, and I knew it was going to happen. So.
Jane Scott from Laddie, Ohio. Going to my aunt's, hanging out at her house for the week, just in her air conditioner and taking showers and whatnot. We just got here about like an hour ago, but did some fishing hours before though. So I'd say about an hour waiting here. Yeah, I'm pretty excited for it.